Hello all, welcome to session 33 of SelectorsHub training series. In this session, I am going to practically show you how to use SelectorsHub for generating the locators for page object model and page factory design patterns. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch the Chrome browser where SelectorsHub is already installed. Now let's browse for the sample application, that is omea.blogspot.com. On this application page, there is a search button here. Now let's auto-generate the different possible locators for the search button using the SelectorsHub. For that, we need to right-click on the search button and select the inspect option. And in the display dev tools, we need to select the SelectorsHub option. Now, as you can see, SelectorsHub has auto-generated the different possible locators for the search button. But our requirement is to generate the locators for page object model and page factory design patterns. For that, guys, we need to select some option here. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. We need to select the second option, which is saying set driver command to append on selectors. Okay, select this option. In this box, we need to type @find by. Okay, this is from page factory design pattern, guys. @find by is from page factory design pattern. And in the circular brackets, provide xpath is equal to, in the double quotes, provide xpath value. Okay, in place of this xpath value, this auto generated xpath will be replaced, guys. Okay, now press enter. You see here it's auto generating the page factory design pattern along with the locator. Now copy this and use directly in the page factory design pattern project. Okay, copy this auto generated locator for this page factory design pattern along with the locator, which will save a lot of time for you when you are working with a page factory design pattern in any of your projects. So hope guys you understood how to use selectors for generating the locators for page object model and page factory design patterns. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.